Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my 4-year-old and our Care Bear that she got from her grandma.
No, I'm a Care Bear.
You're a Care Bear? We gave her Care Bear ears in her hairstyle. We're gonna draw a Care Bear today, so grab a Sharpie and draw Rainbow Care Bear with us. You ready? All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna start with
I'm gonna do the nose.
the nose. Okay, we're gonna draw a little heart-shaped nose.
It's like a love.
Yeah. And then we're gonna draw a curved line next to it, like that. All right, and then we're gonna draw a little line over here, and then it's gonna turn into a smile. All right, and then we're gonna draw just a little tiny line right there. All right, now we're gonna draw an upside down rainbow right here and fill it in. Just a little one.
Where?
And then one more upside down rainbow around it and not fill in that one
Why?
because it's the white part of its mouth. Because its mouth is open. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a little tuft of hair right there,
Okay.
if you want. And then we're gonna draw a little curved line down right there. Oh, yours probably is far enough already. I don't, well, maybe not. All right, so now we're gonna draw an oval for the eye, and we're gonna fill it in except for a highlight. And then we're gonna draw little eyelashes, 1, 2, 3 little ones.
2, 3.
Okay, and then I'm gonna fill in my highlight just a little bit more. It's a small highlight. All right, so now we're gonna draw another oval over here.
What?
Oh yeah, and fill in everything except for a little highlight. Did you forget to fill it in? There we go. All right, and then, you good? Okay, now what we're gonna do is draw, I know, a little rainbow right next to it on each side. Okay, and now I'm just gonna finish the line going under the eye on this side, like that. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to draw 2 rainbows above for the eyebrows. Now we're gonna draw the big cute cheeks. So we're gonna draw a little tuft of hair going that way. And then we're gonna draw a curved line out.
Okay,
and
Mama.
down. And then it's gonna curve over by the mouth.
Where?
And then we're gonna come over here and draw a little tuft of hair going that way. And then just really thin lines going over. And then right here, up higher, we're gonna do our curved line because her arm's gonna be coming out this way. So it doesn't go quite as low. Good job. So now curved line down a little bit. Perfect, just like that. And then we're gonna do an angle up like that. It's gonna lead up to her ears. And so her ears, we make a big teddy bear shaped ear.
Like
that.
mine.
Like your hair, yeah. And then we're gonna draw a curved line with a little tuft at the top and then a curved line down again. And then we're gonna draw another teddy bear ear. And the teddy bear ear is kind of like a rainbow, but it has kind of like a squarish top. All right, and then we're gonna do a curved line down and it leads into the cheek. Very good. And then inside of your teddy bear ears, we're gonna make a smaller, but like the same shape, but smaller inside of it. Oh, it's so good. All right, so now we're gonna draw her body. So right over here, we're gonna draw a line for her arm. And then right here, we're gonna draw her thumb. And then their hands kind of look like mittens, like that. We're gonna draw a heart inside, right there. Oh wow, good job. Okay, and now we're gonna draw the arm going in like that. And then we also need to draw the shoulder over here.
I don't want to.
Okay, yeah, your shoulder's already there. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna draw her other hand going up like this and her thumb. Oh wow, you got ahead of me. And then yeah, the mitten part right there. And then down.
Cute. Oh.
And then the heart shape right here. Good job. So now you can just draw a big oval starting right here and go.
Ah!
Nice and big oval. And I did mine kind of sketchy because I wanted to draw little tufts, but you can just do a regular old line if you want.
There.
Yeah, you're already getting ahead of me again. The rainbow is inside. That's right.
There.
So you can do, so for her Care Bear, it has just the 3 colors. The 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Those are the 3 main important colors.
I want to do many colors.
But you could also do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So you can decide how many colors you want on your rainbow on your Care Bear.
I want to do pink on my Care Bear.
Oh, really? To save space, I'm just gonna do the 3. But you can do it how you want at home if you want to do all 6 colors. Okay, so
I
now,
want to do my name.
well, we got to move on to the rest of the body. Okay, so here's the leg coming out and down. And then the foot, you curve it forward.
Mama, look at this.
Oh, it's so cute. So you curve it forward like that. And then back here,
This is
It
her
comes-
armpit.
it comes back like that. And then you can draw like a little tuck. And then her foot is like an oval shape right there, okay? And then go up a little bit. All right, so that's one leg. And then we're gonna make a curvy diagonal line down to there. Yeah. And then kind of make an oval shape over here. So I'm not like completing my oval, but if you do, that's cool too. And then, yeah, you go up and then let's draw the bum. So
Done.
cute. So I would have done the line more like this. So it goes up like this, and then you've got a curve right here, and then up, and it meets up with the arm. So that way, that's okay. I'm just doing it so I can draw a little heart on the side for the bum. And then I'm gonna draw a little tail.
This is Mommy.
And there's her tail. So now I'm doing the cloud that the Care Bear is standing on.
I don't want to.
You do not have to do a cloud, that's fine.
I said I don't need to do a cloud.
All right, are we missing anything?
Okay.
So now we're gonna color it. Everything is pink except for the nose area is white. The belly is white and the inside of the ears are white. The hearts are a darker pink and the rainbow is rainbow colors. Okay, let's get coloring. All right, well, if you didn't quite finish coloring yet, pause it here and you can use mine for a reference if you need it. And I just wanted to show that if you spend a little bit more time by re-outlining some of the lines to make them thicker, that it helps it look really good, especially after you've used colored pencil. If the colored pencil goes over on the black, it looks better if you go back over a Sharpie. All right, well, we hope you join us next time. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And I would love to see how your Care Bear turned out. So take a picture of it and have your mom or dad or an adult put it on Instagram and tag. What's an adult? I'm an adult, a grown-up. Have your grown-up help you, and you can tag me on Instagram, and then I can see it. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.